Hello guys, this is Mario. Hey, I got an issue here with this S10 2000. I turned it off, and then when I try to crank it back on, it won't start. It'll crank, and let me see, but it won't turn on. If you got any information, if anybody from you guys had this issue before, please give me a comment or whatever you can, to help me out to see what is this problem. If I wait 10 minutes, exactly 10 minutes, it'll start back up. But I'm trying to figure out what is it. It's a 2000 S10 Chevy. Anybody has that issue, give me a comment, please. And thank you. Appreciate it.